Hey? We'll stand back here and watch the parade here tonight, so we can sit in there on the station, yeah? But we have to take this back first.
Yeah.
So we've got to get back here at 5:50.
5:50. Well, it's about almost 10:02 now.
So we've got 2 hours.
Yeah, basically.
So we get our money back on this first.
Yeah. Thank God for
They will
that.
do, because they've probably got this else.
Coaches, yeah.
He's not looking where he's going.
In front of us yesterday.
Tutuki Splash.
Shop rider.
Hey?
Riding around the shops.
It's not quite windy, man. Not so warm today. Sunday. Oh. Yeah, it's like when he said he was 10 minutes. He went 10 minutes.
Yeah.
He was like 25 minutes, wasn't he?
Yeah. Not sending very many backers around, are they?
Hey?
Not very sending many backers around, are they?
It's
Not
going
many
around
going
September.
around. I've seen what's going on. Well, it's not coming now,
I bet it's half hour.
Oh,
I bet it's half hour.
probably. That is
You see when you get there?
coming up as 35. Not 30, it's just changed.
Probably about 40.
Probably. Yeah.
That'd be 40.
It's a bit slow. Yeah, I'll try to close.
Is it?
Of course,
What? What's Stampede on?
30.
Well, by the time we got, what we do, we've got Tutuki Splash, drive up to the top and come back down round,
Is
yeah?
that it?
Do you know what this
Well,
was?
we're not going to have it.
This one's gone down by 1 bar, that's why it's slow. So if you drops down by 1 bar, that's why it goes slower.
Yeah. Ana Clara, que se la tarda aquí, tío. Yeah, it says Tutuki Splash is closed.
What we got? Oh, no, no, no. My feet are killing me. Now I've got this coming
Yes.
up. Can't walk in front.
What?
Oh,
The app says it's closed, but the AI says open.
yeah, but the app's not very good.
Okay. Clearly not.
I can't be asked that train.
No. So slow.
So it's a scooter.
Yeah, especially for scooter, yeah. Scooter's probably faster. Scooter's probably faster.
This one's on full power. Got things on the park, am I?
What? Yeah, no. I haven't gone into Polynesia that much.
Sure, if you look mad, this. Oh, that's completely bent. You've got to put on full power. Get up here. Struggling. I'll go and park it by the exit bed. What's shoes on? It's a show on, Ben.
What?
It's a show on.
Show them.
Oh, we can go and watch the show if you want. Oh, let's go park it by the exit. Let's go park it. I'll go and park it up. Ben?